This is MicroCare. This is also MicroCare. This too is MicroCare. This is where we work. And here, here, and way over here. This is what we make. We share everything about cleaning parts, all kinds of parts, so our customers can make their parts perfectly clean. This is the founder of MicroCare, Chris Jones. And here is Tom Tattersall, our CEO. They used to have more hair when they started, and they both know what makes MicroCare successful.
The way we've run our business is an ethical, caring, nimble business. I think we were really good at listening to our customers.
Our culture here is really to put the customers first. Do what's right for the customer. It's kind of like I like to think in our DNA.
Some of us have been here a long time and really like working here. This is how big the company was when we started. This is MicroCare now.
We've really seen an incredible surge in our employee count, and we're bringing in really talented people.
At MicroCare, we care about our employees. We care about our customers. And we care about our communities. Our growth opportunities range from manufacturing and logistics to sourcing and product development, from sales and marketing to finance and IT, and from laboratory research to maintenance operations.
It's an exciting time to be here at MicroCare.
We are all about next generation cleaning, and we're focused on the future. And in between, we like to have some fun.
As we've continued to grow, it's been refreshing to hear their feedback saying, "Yeah, this place is great. This place is fun to work for. It's a good place. It's fun."
We care about integrity, and we care about each other. Together, we are MicroCare.